Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're gonna cook a ribeye steak. I got this at the Fresh Market, Johnson City, Tennessee. It's a premium choice cut. So let's get started. So here's a steak, and all I'm gonna do, and I've had this sitting out for about 30 minutes prior to doing this, just to let it come up to room temperature a little bit. Just gonna hit it with some kosher salt and some black pepper. Cracked black. Crack that on there. I want a good amount on there because it's a pretty thick steak. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to turn it over, do the same thing to the other side. Alright, got it seasoned up real good. Then all the extra salt and pepper that fell around, I just hit it around like that, get it on the sides. I'll set the steak over to the side there for a minute, just letting it hang out on the counter. Right here I have 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to put, this is what I'm going to baste the steak with. I've got a little bit of garlic powder. Put about a teaspoon or so of garlic powder in there. And I'm also going to put a little dash of Worcestershire sauce. Oh yeah, just like that. And I'm going to give that a good stir. And that right there be a nice little basting sauce for a steak. Man, this is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. Also, I got some asparagus I wrapped in bacon. I'm going to cook along with the steaks. Just 4 pieces of asparagus, and I wrapped 1 piece of bacon around them. Hit them with a little bit of pepper. I'm going to put them on with the steaks. Alright, y'all. I got my coals on this side. This is my 14-inch Weber, and these are Cray Court cast iron grates. I've got a little charcoal, whatever you call it, a little charcoal holder right here. So keeping all the coals on that side. But I'm gonna put our asparagus on this side right here. Then I'm gonna grab our steak, and these coals are screaming hot. Woo! Hot. That's good. Oh! Alright. Get our steak on there. Man. I'm going to let it go for about a minute, maybe 2. Been going about a minute. I'm going to give it about a quarter turn like that. Try to get some nice grill marks on it. Alright, see what we got here. Man, that sure is looking mighty fine. Let it go for another couple more minutes, then we'll do a quarter turn. Quarter turn. Man, look at that. I'm going to baste it with some of our butter Worcestershire sauce. Put a little bit of that on the top of it. Oh yeah. Give it a flip. Woo! Look at there. Give it a little more basting. I dropped my brush. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on it for a minute. Try to kill them flames out. Now, I'm going to move this steak over here to this indirect side. Alright, I got everything on the indirect side, and it ain't quite done yet. I'm going to cook this to probably about a medium to medium rare. Probably more towards medium. But I'm going to move, everything's on the indirect side. I'm going to put the lid on it, let it cook for maybe about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and we'll check. Give it a check, see how it's doing. Flip these asparagus. I'm going to rotate them. Asparagus looking pretty good. Bacon needs to cook a little more. Check on this steak. Check our temperature. Steak's about 123. I'm going to let it go just a little bit longer. You can pull it right now if you wanted to, but oh man, look at that. Pour a little more of our butter Worcestershire garlic sauce stuff on there and put the lid on it. I'm gonna let it go just for a few more minutes. Alright, about 4 or 5 minutes has went by and we're at about, can you see, 128 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. Get that off of there. Oh man. Let him rest. Asparagus still need a little more time. Flip them. All right. Asparagus is looking pretty good. Pull them off. Asparagus. All right, there it is, y'all. Can you see? Can you see? Right there we have steak, and I got a baked potato, some cheese, butter, sour cream, and green onion. There's the bacon wrapped asparagus. Let's cut into the steak and see what we got going on with it. See how we cooked it. What do you think about that? Looks pretty dang good to me. Man, that looks mighty fine is what it looks like. Alright, let's get a bite of that right there. Take a bite right here. Juicy steak. That steak sure is mighty fine. That little Worcestershire butter stuff we put on it, that makes it good. Now let's try a piece of this bacon wrapped asparagus. Just grab it up like that. Bacon wrapped asparagus, man. Yep, that bacon wrapped asparagus, that steak, it's all mighty fine. But anyways, cheers guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.